Finish naman muna yung mata ko. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, pupunta tayo sa Cosplay Mania 2025 this October 3. 4 pala. So today is Saturday, October 4. Tama ba? October 4 ngayon. Yes, it's October 4. And current time is 12:15. And ngayon pala kami magpe-prep. The characters we're going to cosplay is Momo Ayase and Ken Takakura. We already have our costumes here. Napansin nyo guys yung mata ko. Namumula. Kinamot ko kasi siya kanina. Pero please don't mind it. Please, please. I already know na marami agad tao. But looking forward for the event. Samahan nyo kami later na mag-ikot-ikot. By the way, this is also me trying the DG Osmo Pocket 3 that I bought for myself. So excited to try this one. Guys, look at our wigs. It's a styled wig. Look. He's going to cosplay Ken Takakura. And this is his wig. Then I'm going to cosplay Momo Ayase. Look. Para siyang nasa cake. Actually, cake, ano siya?
Cake box.
Cake box.
God.
Chanan! Ay, hindi. Look.
Si Momo.
Oh, Karan.
Ayun si Momo.
Hmm?
Si Momo.
Momo!
Si Ayase Momo.
No, it's the other Momo. It's already 3:30. What yan? It's already 3:35 and ngayon pa lang kami pupunta ng SMX. Anong masasabi mo sa costume mo and your cosplay itself? Wala siyang comment. No comment. Okay. Gabriel. Everyone, right now nandito na kami sa Cosplay Mania 2025. And as you can see, ang daming tao. Look. We are currently in the artist area. Hall MG pala to, Hall MG. So gusto niya kumain agad.
Kasi hindi ka nag-lunch.
Kasi hindi ako nag-lunch. So kakain muna tayo before tayo mag-ikot. It's our outfit. Let's go. Yeah. I saw this like several times now. Still cute. Yung balls mo na lang. Your balls.
Oh, they're 99. It's too big for my it doesn't fit the aesthetics of my setup.
Nice to see you.
Okay, no Ang ganda ng costume ng ako rin.
Oo.
Siya din ko yan.
Ako din yung nagpilit sa kanyang magpasaya.
Tama yan. Sige, bye. Bye, thank you.
Nakakatuwa lang na may nakamit tayong isa na kakilala ko dito. Ngayon pala guys, wala na kami dun sa hall ng mga artist booth. Nandito kami sa kabila. OEX daw to. Community YouTubers, fishlickers.
Paikutin ko lang lahat eh. Ito.
Bakit yun yung binili mo?
It's a dog.
It's a what?
It's a dog.
Let me see.
It's a dog.
Ano niya yung isa? Oh my god. Yes, please. So hot. So, it's already 7:13. Next is pupunta tayo ng IKEA.
Para kumain
Para
at magkape at kumain.
At kumain ulit. How's the Cosplay Mania? I think Cosplay Mania right now, or for this day 2.
Walang polo merch.
Day 2 kasi ngayon. So, we decided to go day 2 dahil Saturday para meron pa rin Sunday para magpahinga. Ewan ko, feeling ko so-so ang convention ngayon.
Hindi mo kasi nabutan yung show.
Oo, hindi na namin nabutan yung show kasi anong oras ba tayo dumating? So far okay naman, ang daming cosplayers and ang daming tao pa rin. For sure kasi mas maraming tao tomorrow, day 3, which is Sunday. Pero ayun, napagod agad yung pa ako. Next naman namin pupuntahan is yung IKEA para kumain. Again,
Si Okawok.
Ah, Okawok ka?
Okawok.
Bakit ka Okawok? Paano
Kasi
kapag Okaron?
Hindi naman ako tumatakbo eh.
Okaron? Ay, Okawok.
Okawok.
Okawok. Yun nga pala, yung Cosmania event is sa baba. And then another event tong nasa function hall.
Ito ba eh?
Yeah, mababa tayo. Nakita mo yung yung video dun sa TikTok ba yun? Or real siya? A day in my life. Tas ang venue na yung mga IKEA na kwarto. Tsaka yung kusina. As usual, we have the meatballs. Sarap ng gulay, yung lambot. Sarap. Sinok ako. got the matcha from IKEA Cafe. I got matcha, tapos he got Spanish latte. Matcha, ang milky niya. So I rate this as 6 out of 10. Kasi more on milky side siya. But it's good.
Lang damo.
Not really matcha-y lang na flavor. San Serval is only 95. Worth it na. Cheers! Ayan, sa maga kaming umalis ng Colm. Kasi tapos na rin naman yung program itself. Naikot na namin lahat ng booths doon. So yun guys, I think dito ko na-end yung vlog. Short vlog. Anyways.
Parang goodbye. Signature goodbye.
Wala ko signature goodbye.